Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping in. Today we are doing another shop spotlight and we are talking about the Seashell Collection. This shop is ran by Janet out of LA and she has been in business on Etsy since 2009. She carries over 24,000 sales, which is just awesome. She carries a very wide variety in her shop. How I originally found her was in looking for wedding beachy supplies, and in that I ran across her, and she carries a really large variety of everything from home decor and mirrors and Christmas decor. Everything is still centered around that Seashell collection, which is really awesome. But another thing that she does is she carries bulk supplies. So if you are looking for a DIY project and need a bulk quantity of shells, I highly encourage you to check her out. So guys, if you look in the description below, you're going to find a link to the original blog post that we did featuring Janet and her shop. It's full of other products and pictures and of course links to her shop if you're interested in any of her fabulous things. So I hope you will check her out and have a blessed day. As always, friends, we hope that you will like and subscribe and stay tuned for many more handmade shop spotlights.